on Cooking with Lynja. We're making a SouthSide Philly cheesesteak. For this recipe, we need 4 rolls, 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 large onion, a few bell peppers, 1 pound of ribeye steaks, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 8 slices of provolone cheese. The first thing we have to do is prep our ingredients. We wash and cut the peppers, chop the onion, and thinly slice the beef. And lastly, we slice the rolls. Now that we've prepared our ingredients, it's time to saute the onions and the peppers. We add 1 tablespoon of butter to each saucepan and cook the peppers until they're soft and the onions until they're slightly brown. Now that we're done sauteing the vegetables, it's time to work on the meat. We cook the beef for 4 minutes and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Now that the meat has cooked, we add 4 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce and cover with provolone cheese. While the cheese is melting, we focus on the rolls. We butter the rolls and toast them lightly in a pan. We grab our roll, fill it with beef and cheese, and top it with onions and peppers. And that's how you make a SouthSide Philly cheesesteak. This is a mini one.